In this video, I'll show you how to see Reels history on Facebook. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. If you love to see your Reels history on Facebook, head over to your Facebook account, right? Click on this. Once it has opened up, click on the settings and privacy. Click on the activity log, right? So yeah, this is it. From here, you're gonna click on this your activity, right? Your Facebook activity. Once you click on it, you're going to scroll down. You're going to see the Reels option right here. Click on it. Once you have clicked on it, you're going to see everything you need to see, right? So you're going to see your Reels history here, even your Reels draft, like everything you need to see basically. So I think I haven't really watched or posted any Reels here. So I don't think I'm going to see anything right here. So this is basically how you can do this. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I really appreciate. I'm gonna see you all in the very next one.